The beach ball?
I definitely didn't bring a beach ball. There is no beach ball. No beach ball. I didn't forget it. You didn't say I should have it.
I told you before we even left that we should bring the beach ball. You're ruining the beach without the beach ball.
I told you all we needed was the shovel. Just the shovel. Yes. Just the shovel. That's all we needed. It's a beautiful day. Why do you want a beach ball for?
Because we're at the beach.
Don't get logical on me. That's ridiculous. Oh, well, there's the guy in the back too. You can't forget him.
Fine.
All right. You can't have an ice cream. No, no, we don't have the money to just throw away on ice cream. No, no.
Look, see, we have the
Charlie, don't give her a small vanilla.
Thank you.
That could have went to like knives, and I mean that would have been perfect.
And, Puddin'.
Oh my God. Oh. All right. So if we're gonna go out in this, I'm gonna need my sunglasses. Do you have them? Give me my sunglasses.
They're in the special place.
That doesn't make any sense. Where is the special place?
The special place for the things, Puddin'.
The special place for the thing.
Yeah, where I put all the things.
I don't understand that. That doesn't make any sense. You're just gonna have to get them.
Fine, Puddin'.
Oh my God. That's the special spot.
There you go.
Oh, right. There you go. Now, was that difficult? All right. Let's head to the beach. So here we are at the beach finally. So what do you want to do?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know, Puddin'.
Well, let's play the new X-Men game. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You do have it, right? Take it out.
Yeah, it's in the special place.
I'm already playing.
Oh,
I'm already in there. There you go.
You're cheating.
No, that's not cheating. I'm just faster than you. That's all. Let's go. No, you're doing it wrong.
No,
you gotta,
I'm not.
No, you
Stop
gotta,
it.
Look.
That burns my ass.
Look,
Stop
you gotta
it.
use this button here.
No, you're ruining
No, this button.
No, look. Goodness, I know how to play the game. Son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take that, you saber-tooth look-alike.
Oh, I'm going into the subway. I'm going into the subway. I'm going into the subway. I'm going in there.
But Puddin'. Puddin', I want a real Harley. But not me. Like the bike.
We should do this more often.
Oh, Puddin', I love this movie. It's so romantic. And then everybody dies at the end.
I'm king of the world.